Welcome back. This is still Inspiration Thursday. Now we're on to Restaurant of the Week. And this week we're along James Gishuru Road at the Arbor restaurant. And I'm here with Mwangi, the restaurant manager. Thank you for hosting us.
No problem.
First, this drink is divine. I don't know why you're not taking yours. I need to see you sip your drink. Yeah?
Yes, the strawberry lemonade.
Everything here is organic.
Yes, it is.
I even see you have like organic vegetables.
Which we actually grow at the back.
Okay.
And then sell them off for 200 shillings.
Yeah.
Yeah. So we like the green feel of things.
Yeah.
Natural.
Everything natural, nothing, preservatives, nothing. Wow. So when was this restaurant founded? When did it start?
Last year, April, in the mid-April. So we've been growing since then. Growing nice and slowly. Yeah.
I can't get over your drink. And what is your specialty as Arbor restaurant?
Because one of our directors is from Malaysia.
Okay.
So what we do, we try to infuse Malaysian dishes with continental. So that's actually what we're known for at the restaurant. So she actually gets ingredients also from Malaysia and brings them over. And we just give it a tweak, a Kenyan tweak over on this side. Yes.
You know, when I look around, it's very homey. It's a garden restaurant. Very cozy, very, like I just want to play on the grass. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
So was there any thought put into the kind of setup that this is, what I can see now?
Basically, the aim of the Arbor restaurant was for it to be a relaxed outdoor environment. Obviously, being on James Gishuru Road, we are on the side of, how do I put it, residential area.
Yes.
But we wanted people to feel like they can come, stay, enjoy the outdoor, enjoy the Wi-Fi, the food, and not feel like they're in a rush to leave.
There's even free Wi-Fi?
Yes, there's free Wi-Fi. So you don't feel like you're in a rush to leave. You feel like you're in your garden setting. So that was the main aim, just to have a relaxed area. The price is right.
Yeah.
Setting is right.
Yeah.
I don't think people would ask for much more.
Even your menu, just the way you've done it, it's very unique. Like this is a piece of wood, right?
Yep.
And then screwed on some.
And then just slip in the menus.
Yeah.
Yep.
And your prices are very, very friendly.
Yes, that's another thing we decided to concentrate on because we don't want to go to the extreme of having meals that are so expensive. We just wanted to be able to appeal to all clienteles within Nairobi. Okay. So we have also the expats who come. We have our Kawaida Kenyan local guys who come and they enjoy at the end of the day. So there's no actual, someone doesn't feel when they enter the Arbor that they are not wanted here. It's for everyone. So yeah.
No, you're right, because even when we came in, I came in a bit earlier and your staff was very friendly, very warm, very welcoming. Like they just gave me really good treatment. Do you invest a lot into training them?
Training them and making sure that, because one thing we do believe the customer is always right. Another thing we also believe is on repeat business. So most of the clients that we will see here on a daily basis were here the day before, the week before. And they'll always come back and they'll be like, oh, is that person in to serve them? They always have that experience they had the first time. They enjoyed it, they enjoyed the staff, they enjoyed the food, and they just want to keep on coming back. And I think that's one of the best things about coming to the Arbor. You get addicted.
Yeah. And something else I also notice is you leave the clients to themselves. Like you don't keep pestering them.
There's no rush. We don't come to your table and stand there to watch you finish the last sip of it. No. We give you the space, you sit, you enjoy. You want us to come back and serve you again, we'll do the clearance, but we'll leave you to enjoy.
Yeah. I think that's amazing. That's what people want. When I leave my house to come to a restaurant, I don't want a waiter to come, no, are you okay, are you okay? Because if I wasn't, then I would be saying it.
I think, because I go to restaurants, I eat out, and you find people will be like here, waiting for your next move. No, we want to give you that feeling of just being at home. You're in your space, you've gotten your drink, you've gotten your food. If you're on the laptop, enjoy the space, enjoy the ambience. We have no problem. So yeah.
So the ambience makes it very unique.
Yeah.
You sell organic vegetables. You make your meals or drinks using organic.
We have shops to look around.
You have shops as well.
We have pedicure, manicures. So basically, it's all in one.
It's a haven for the woman, especially.
Like exactly. We have cosmetic shop. We have what do you call it? Clothing shop, and then we have a furniture store, and then we also do manicures and pedicures. So it's one thing you can come as, I mean, we know moms. I'm a mom, so you don't get that time to just come out and just enjoy everything in one
One
place.
place.
So you come have your lunch with your kids, they're on the swing, they're enjoying their time. You sneak
Go do
away,
your
go
mani.
pedicure,
Yes.
manicure, you're good to go.
Then you do lunch
Some
again.
shopping, do some dinner. Then you say, now we go to our second home.
Whoa. This is the first. This is the first one. That's a good one, Wanjiru. That's a good one.
So yeah.
I can't wait to sample your signature dish from Chef Jacob.
Yes.
Especially when you said there's some Malaysian ingredients in there.
Yeah.
And just reading the menu, the dishes sound very exotic to me. So
Yeah.
I can only imagine just how they must taste. And that's why this place just packs up. Like, there's no empty table around even now.
There's no empty table. I mean, and also we go on the fact that we use fresh ingredients and we make it upon order. So once you order, a meal will take 10 to 15 minutes, but it's fresh, made there and then coming out of the kitchen. So you won't find that we've frozen something no, it's made fresh.
I love that.
Yeah, I think that's one thing that actually makes the food more appealing.
Chef Jacob, we've been waiting for you. Wow, okay.
Now, what he has brought is our Arbor signature chicken wings. This is one dish we're definitely known for. We've actually won an award for it.
Oh,
yes.
okay.
Then we have our Asian wontons, which is basically, I can say, just to be a bit simple, it's like a simple samosa. It's a wrap with minced
samosa that looks like a flower.
Exactly. It's a wrap with minced prawns and chicken inside. Yes, served with some chili and some soy sauce.
If maybe I'm a client of, not maybe.
You're a client. You're an Arbor client.
I'm an Arbor client.
You're already here.
I'm in
You're
a
gonna
hurry.
come back.
I want to get my food packed. Do you guys do that?
Yes, we do. We do takeaways. You're able to actually call in advance, place your order, you'll get your food ready. Yes. So we do the takeaways. We also, in conjunction with the delivery companies, Hello Food and Yam Kenya.
Yes.
Yes. They also take orders and deliver to their clientele. I think you can taste some ginger up in there.
Yes, ginger, there's turmeric.
Yes.
There's a lot of spices that get your health
This is
100% in order.
Yes, and then the egg up on top. Just shreds of egg on top. So this is
That's a meal in itself.
a meal in itself. You have breakfast, lunch and dinner.
But when you eat this, you can't eat again.
You can't. You can't. It's really...
It's filling and it's healthy.
Feeling healthy, especially, I mean, if clients come and they're like, I'm starving. I'm like, the laksa is going to do you just... That's fine. You're not going to have... There won't be a people where you're feeling hungry. It's going to be filling you up.
Hey, Wanjiru, I tell you, those wontons, I'm so glad, like, this plate is empty.
Plus the wings, the bones, huh?
Plus the bones. You had to see the bones.
You had to see the bones. There has to be evidence.
There has to be evidence.
Exactly.
And the soup, remind me the name again?
The laksa chicken.
The laksa chicken soup. And the best thing is you've said that if people want this, they can get it packed.
So we try our best to reach everyone.
Yes.
Everywhere. Yeah.
My goodness, Chef Jacob, you have just...
He is back.
You are back with a bang. You've quite banged, like I'm not even here. What is this on the table?
So let's start with that.
Yes, salmon. Love salmon.
Avocado salmon on toast.
One of our...
As you're talking,
you'll be eating.
I can be verifying what you're saying is true.
Yes, definitely.
And then serve with some hollandaise sauce. Very rich.
This?
The hollandaise sauce,
okay.
Yes.
What goes into making the sauce?
It's butter and some eggs. We do some egg yolks. And then with some mustard and a bit of vinegar. And then whisk it up together to form a hollandaise sauce.
So what do you call this entire dish?
Avocado, salmon.
Oh, he said it. I didn't hear it because I was just busy wondering what.
Yeah, it's avocado toast. Avocado toast.
It's an avocado toast.
Yes.
Simple, you can say avocado.
So what time of the day do people eat this? Is it a breakfast, lunch, dinner dish?
Okay, it's usually on breakfast, but okay, like here we just sell it like all through.
All through.
Yeah. It's a light dish.
This is light.
This is nice and light, and I mean, it's nice and healthy. If you're looking at lunch,
Yeah.
not bad. even still, an early light dinner,
Early light dinner.
it still works.
Let's move on to that one.
And then we have our signature beef fillets and pepper sauce.
Okay, this is pepper sauce.
Just
Let's
pepper
pour a
sauce.
bit on there.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. The steak we usually marinate it in like Asian style with some ginger, teriyaki, soy sauce, and a bit of garlic.
That's a very rich marination.
Yeah. So it's the marinade.
Oh, it's
which
very
usually
tender.
likes to
Yes.
pull out the people. Yeah.
It's very tender meat.
Silence is always good.
It's beyond. So you grill this?
Yeah. Yeah, to your perfection anyway. So it depends on the client how he or she likes it. If it's medium or it's well done, or so we just
Like this is medium.
This is like medium.
I love it, and
Then
this
with
chunky.
some herbed wedges.
Oh, wedges.
Yeah.
Herbed.
Some paprika.
No, I was gonna call them what?
Chips.
No, you know me too well. Some fat chips. No, it's wedges, eh?
Yes.
Herbed wedges. It's not just wedges, it's herbed wedges. So it has some herbs in it, some garlic powder, paprika, tarragon. Mix it up all together and then a touch of salt.
So this is a signature dish.
One of our mains,
One of our
main dishes, yeah,
And you serve them in this.
on the board.
pot.
It's supposed to go with
Tell me
the
about
menu.
that. Oh yeah, the concept of
Yeah.
the wooden menu.
Exactly. And as you can see, all our tables,
Yeah, the same rustic wooden,
exactly that
very
rustic feel.
natural. Yeah.
Yeah. So our menu, lunch, breakfast, lunch, dinner.
And it's not even expensive.
No. Like, I mean, the steak will cost you $9.50. Yeah.
I saw that here. And it's a full meal. It's healthy. The starch is protein, there's veggies there. I'm lost for words, which is very, very rare. Very rare. Yeah, but this is really good. So, chef, in your kitchen, you're very strong on using natural ingredients. Hautoa vitu kwa mikebe. I need you, Wanjiru, to look into camera.
Yes.
Maybe this one. And let the people have the number of your restaurant. Should they want to call, make a reservation? Because I noticed it packs up really well. So if people want to call and reserve, do you do parties, birthday parties, graduation parties, wedding parties, whatever?
We're able to do it. We're able to hold private functions.
Yeah.
If you want to call and reserve for lunch and it's very, we advise that you reserve lunch on Saturdays and Sundays because we get quite busy. So you can always call 0729 400 291. And then if you're interested in having a function, any size from 5 people, 15, 50, we're able to serve you. So you can just send out an email address to Arbor Place Limited at gmail.com.
Spell Arbor.
ARBOR.
So repeat the email.
Arbor Place Limited at gmail.com. Yes.
Okay. And chef, lastly, what would you say is the secret of your success in the Arbor kitchen?
Oh, okay.
Use your microphone.
Okay, it's the spices. The spices, because mostly I use, because here we are Asian, so lots of things we use from Asian spices, just ginger, garlic, we don't miss those, and some lemongrass, we don't miss those, some oil.
And those are also spices that are found here.
They're found here.
In Kenya as well.
Yes.
You know what, I have had a great taste of what your signature dish is about and also what this place is about. Great ambience, shops, mani pedi stores. It's just phenomenal, and the food, my goodness. If I was to recap, we've had chicken wings, we've had
Asian wontons.
you knew I'd forget that. We've had Asian wontons, we've had that. The soup is
Laksa chicken,
laksa chicken soup and
steak, and the avocado on toast.
yeah, and this wonderful drink.
The strawberry
I have
lemonade.
to have a takeaway of this strawberry lemonade. Everything fresh, no preservatives in this foods, and that's what makes Arbor Restaurant a unique place for you to visit. Remember, they're situated along James Gishuru Road And you just have to call in case you get lost. There's a number, just repeat that number.
0729 400 291.
Okay. And if you didn't have time to write that down, just go to our social media pages, Facebook, KTN Life and Style, Twitter and Instagram, KTN Life_style, or you can also WhatsApp us on 0700 574747, and we will be able to share these contacts with you in case you didn't get to write that down for yourself. From me here at Arbor Restaurant with my crew, the producer Isaac, cameraman Nyongesa and Makau, who are waiting to dig into these dishes. I promise you I'm not by myself. We say it's goodbye for now. And until we meet again, remember, if you have a restaurant and you want us to visit, email us on lifeandstyle@standardmedia.co.ke, and who knows, we just could make a pass by that place and see whether we can feature you. So have a great day, stay inspired, God bless you.
Well, that's all we had for you on Inspirational Thursday. It's supposed to be Motivational Thursday. It's all about that motivation, encouragement, and empowerment. Like I said at the beginning of the show, remember, you're never actually too old to make a new dream, to make a new goal in your life. It's never too late. Go ahead, be empowered every single day. Get to know what it is that you want to do and give your all to it. Do not be put back by anything. Do not doubt yourself, because it starts with you. This has been Inspirational Thursday. I've been your girl, Mukali. Have a good day. Let's meet up tomorrow. Thursday is going to be lit. It's all about feel-good Friday entertainment and juicy gossip. Of course, in fashion. Have a good day.